Step 4. The Alvin Ailey American Dance Theater. 10. In 1957, at the age of 26, Ailey fulfilled his dream of managing his own dance group and formed the Alvin Ailey American Dance Theater in New York City. He and his small troupe rehearsed wherever they could find space. Their first big performance, called Blues Suite, was greatly influenced by the traditional blues music that Ailey remembered from his Texas childhood. The music and movements combined elements of traditional African dance and the sweeping movements Ailey remembered from the back-breaking cotton field work of his mother. In this way, Ailey was able to capture the joy and sadness of the African American experience, an expression that translated so successfully into his choreography that audiences were touched profoundly. To this day, the emotional response felt by the audience encapsulates the experience of viewing an Alvin Ailey performance. 11. Ailey's second work, entitled Revelations, premiered in New York City in 1960. Like Blues Suite, Revelations drew from African American history as well as from blues music. It told the story through a set or suite of dances of African Americans' experience in the United States, from slavery to freedom. It included a strong presence of spiritual music, the title itself taken from a chapter of the Bible. Ailey has said the work was also a tribute to his church-going mother. 12. Revelations was a stunning success with both critics and audiences, and the Alvin Ailey American Dance Theater was in demand. In 1962, the American State Department sponsored the troupe to travel and perform for 5 months in Southeast Asia and Australia. 13. Ailey went on to choreograph over 70 works for his own company and created dancers for other notable dance companies such as the Joffrey Ballet, the Paris Opera Ballet, the London Festival Ballet, and the Royal Danish Ballet. He choreographed for and danced with performers of varying ethnicities and nationalities before audiences worldwide.